Top 10 inspection items and considerations before operation for medium-duty truck cranes. Welcome to our classroom. Today, we will present the inspection items and considerations before operation for Zoomlion medium-duty truck cranes, including but not limited to the following. 1. Inspection of engine oil. With the crane parked on a stationary road, take out the oil dipstick before starting up or 15 meters later after stopping. Wipe it with a clean cotton cloth, then insert it into the dipstick hole, and take it out again to check if the oil track on the dipstick is between the highest and the lowest. HL. If the level is below the lowest, add the engine oil in time. 2. Inspection of engine coolant. Check the coolant level to ensure that the level is between the min and the max of the side glass gauge. If the level is below the min, unscrew the radiator cap to add coolant. 3. Inspection of steering oil. With the engine running, check the oil level through the side glass of the steering oil reservoir. The oil level should not be above the side glass, and if the oil level low, add steering oil in time. 4. Inspection of clutch fluid. The brake fluid level in the fluid reservoir should be between the min and the max. 5. Inspection of AdBlue level. Check that the AdBlue level shown by the indicator bar of the gauge is not less than 10%. If it is less than 10%, add AdBlue. 6. Inspection of meters in cab. After powering on and starting the engine, check the status of each monitoring indicator on the fascia. According to the information indicated by the symbol, identify the cause of abnormal turning on and remove the abnormality. Meanwhile, the switch control and lighting should be normal. 7. Inspection of steering mechanism. It should be flexible and reliable. The spare travel should not exceed 15 degrees to one side, and should not exceed 30 degrees in total to the left and right sides. Excessive travel indicates a large gap among the steering linkage, steering ball joint, and pit main arm. In this case, check the fixing bolts for the tie rod and the steering mechanism for looseness. 8. Inspection of drive mechanism. Check if the connecting bolts of the flange and the intermediate support are loose. Visually check or check by shaking with hand the cross shaft and the shaft fork of the drive shaft for looseness, damage, or deformation, and replace it if any. 9. Inspection of tire pressure. The standard pressure of the radial tires is around 0.9 to 1.0 MPa. As a matter of experience, the tire contacts with the ground for about 3 to 4 patterns under normal pressure. 10. Inspection of brake mechanism. The brake pressure needs to be about 0.9 MPa. Obvious deceleration and braking effects should be available and not obvious air leakage is found when a dry braking at low speed start. In order to ensure operation safety, it is necessary to check the truck crane before operation. Well, that is the end for today. Thanks for joining us. See you next time.